Welcome to the channel in another video. In today's recipe, we are looking at mini donuts or mandazi or puff puff, but these are instant. There is no need of yeast in them. Within 20 minutes, your breakfast is done, your iftar is done. Kids enjoy them a lot and they can be kept around for 3 days. Like, share and subscribe. So in a bowl, we are starting with 1 cup of lukewarm milk. To that, we add 2 eggs, like you can see there in the video. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. Then I added egg whites that had remained from what I had used in another recipe. Because I did not have what to use them for, I decided to add them in this recipe. Then to that, I added in 3 tablespoons of oil, like you can see there in the video. Make sure that you're using a very nice vegetable oil. Then add a few drops of vanilla extract, like you can see there, for that nice flavor, and then whisk all that up for like 2 to 3 minutes. Help me grow by subscribing to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the recipe in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching from. It is Ramadan time and these are some of the simple recipes that you can prepare for your family for iftar. To this I add 7 to 10 tablespoons of sugar. It depends on how sweet you would love the mandazi to be. So anywhere from 7, you can just do 7, you can do 6, it is just fine. So it depends on how sweet you would love the mandazi to be. Add half teaspoon of salt and then add flour. I used around 3 to 4 cups of flour, adding them in bits as we mix, like I will be showing you in the video. So we are going to be mixing all this up to come up with a very nice batter that has no lumps in it. To that we add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which will help the mandazi to be fluffy. And because baking powder also adds in a flavor, a different flavor, it will as well make the mandazi nice and chewy, and it will be really a very nice recipe for you and your family. So mix all that up until you have a very nice consistency that has no lumps in it. Remember, we are going to be adding in flour gradually as we mix. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. So here I was adding in more flour to make sure that I get a very nice consistency that I was aiming at. I need a thick butter that is not so flowing, that has no lumps in it. So here I was looking at the butter and it was still flowing. It is not the consistency that I wanted, so I went ahead and added a little bit of flour and mixed all that up until it was thick and in like a paste, like you can see there in the video, and that was what I was aiming at. So just like that, the batter is ready and you are good to go. So simple, and your breakfast within 20 minutes it is ready to be served, or your iftari is ready to be served for your people. You can have these with a little bit of either tea, it can be juice. Here I was testing just to make sure that everything I have used, it is incorporated well. You can as well decide to add a little bit of lemon zest. You can decide to use cinnamon, ginger powder, nutmeg, just to spice to suit your taste and preference. Here I'm heating up enough oil for deep frying, and once your oil is ready, you can do this by inserting your spatula just to make sure that the oil is ready, because you need it on medium heat to make sure that you come up with those nice and fluffy mandazi. So you can use an ice cream scoop, or you can just use a tablespoon and come up with those very nice shapes. So like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let me know some of the snacks, some of the recipes that you and your family enjoy during Ramadan, during iftar, during suhoor. What do you take with your family? So share with me in the comment section. Let's link up, let's talk in the comment section. So like you can see, you start turning the mandazi and make sure that they are all browned until they are nice and fluffy, like you can see there, and you are good to go. So once they are all brown, we are going to drain them on a paper towel or a kitchen towel just to drain any excess oil, and you are ready to serve your family. You are ready to serve your people. These are so nice. They are so soft inside, and they can last for 2 to 3 days. They are instant and so easy to make. So within 20 minutes, you are good to go, and you are already serving your people. You can have them with juice. You can have them with tea, anything that you would love. You can as well make this, and then you can have them for suhoor. So please like, share and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the recipe in the comment section. So here I was draining them to put them on a paper towel. So repeat the process until you are done with the rest of the mandazi. This with no doubt is one of my go-to breakfast recipes whenever I'm looking for something to prepare for my family, for my people. So within 15 to 20 minutes, I'm done. You just grab a few ingredients from your kitchen and prepare the mandazi. Good thing about them, they can take you for like 2 to 3 days. For the rest of the other 2 days, I'm covered. I don't have to worry about something, or I can just supplement with a few things, but at least they have something just to have for breakfast. So if at all I wake up and I don't have the energy to prepare anything else, then they can at least have these. They are nice and soft inside, like you can see there in the video. You can dust a little bit of icing sugar on them, or you can just coat them in cinnamon sugar, and you are good to go. Until next time, please like, share and subscribe, like the video and leave a comment.